To use magnification on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Scroll down in the settings until you find Accessibility and then choose it, and then go to Vision Enhancements. Now scroll down to find Magnification, and we need to create a shortcut. So we can tap on the switcher, and in this case I need to turn off the one-handed mode as well. And then we can choose how we want to start this function. So I'm gonna choose Accessibility button in my case, and I'm gonna press OK. The Accessibility button is over here in the bottom right corner. So if you scroll down, you can also find the description of how it works, but essentially if you tap on the Accessibility button, then as you can see the magnification is enabled. You can drag it around by using this blue button over here in the bottom right corner, and you can pinch in order to zoom in and zoom out in the selected area. You can also tap on the Accessibility button again in order to turn it off. You can go to Magnification shortcut in order to customize the shortcut and use a different method to activate magnification. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.